Okay, Algebra 1. Lesson 104, page 439. This is a green-red lesson. These are called abstract rational equations. Abstract rational equations. What you see here is letters. Isn't that wonderful? There's no numbers. There's just letters. So when we're done, we're going to still have all the same letters as we started with. They're just going to be a different place. We're going to move things around using the rules of algebra. The rules of algebra are we can add or subtract the same thing from both sides of the equation. We don't change the value of the equation. Or we can multiply or divide both sides of the equation by the same number, and we don't change the value of the equation. So on the first one, on the example here, it says find b. That means that right now it's equal to x. X equals. This is what x equals. I want to make it say b equals. I want to get b by itself on one side of the equation. Okay, I want to get everything off this side of the equation. All right, best way to do this is to get rid of the denominator to start with. Okay, we're going to multiply everything by BD, all right, because that's the lowest common denominator. So let's go BD, 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 all right? When I do that, B's cross cancel, I have AD. Plus the D's cross cancel, I have BC equals BDX. Is that good? Y'all see that? Now, again, I want to get B by itself. Okay? This one here, this has B in it. I want to get this term by itself. I'm going to take this to the other side. I'm going to take this over there by subtracting it. Okay, I'm just going to move everything over here. So now BC equals. I got B, D. Wait, sorry. Back up. I'm looking for B. Never mind. I lied. I want to get all the B's on the same side. There's a B here and a B here. All right, so I'm going to have AD. Y'all don't like it. I'm just going to do it. So we're going to take this over here, okay? So we have AD equals. This didn't change. BDX minus BC. Y'all see that? Okay, first of all, I multiplied everything by BD, and I got this, this, and this. Now, I'm looking for B. There's a B, there's a B, all right? I got to get all my B on one side. Okay, so what I did is I subtracted this over here. Now I want to get rid of the B's off of here. Okay, so you do it like this. AD equals B times, this is the common factor, right? When I factor that out, there's DX minus C. B's the common factor. It comes out. This is what's left. I take it out of here, that's what's left. Take it out of here, that's what's left. Now I want to get rid of this. This is multiplication, right? So I'm going to divide. So I have AD over DX minus C. I just divided by that whole thing equals B. Y'all see that? Fun. This is just a game to play, okay? The game is move stuff around using addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. We're factoring all these different things. B equals. Does that make a little bit of sense? You follow that a little bit? All right. Let's do the same one here for A. Just real quick, and then we'll move on to something else. Let's see. Get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. All right. So this is B, D. This one here, I want to get A equals. I want to get A by itself. I want to get A by itself. Okay? Same first step, multiplied by BD. Okay? B's cross cancel, I have AD. Plus, the D's cross cancel, I have BC equals, that's BDX, right? Any order you want. Now watch. Now the A, there's only one A. It's right here. Okay? I'm going to subtract this to the other side. AD equals BDX minus BC. I'm taking off of this side, change sides, change sign, right? I want to get rid of the D. I have a whiteboard, I can do this. There's your answer. Now, if you want to do it as two separate things, you can multiply it, you can divide here, and you just have bx minus bc over d. But that's a good answer right there, okay? Isn't this fun? All right, and over here, we're looking to find x. Okay, this is just a bigger equation. Now, you understand, this is over 1. If that makes a difference, that doesn't make a difference. So we're going to multiply everything by x n. Okay? We'll multiply everything by x n. Okay? So we're going to go x n, x n, x n, and x n. Every piece. Okay? The x's cross cancel. You have a n minus, and this is a y. Okay? X n. Nothing cross cancels here, so I have x n y, n y x, however you want to do that. Doesn't matter. The n's cross cancel here, so we have plus. We have xm equals xnk, however you want to do that. Doesn't matter. Now again, we're looking to get the x's by themselves. Here's an x, here's an x, and here's an x. Do you see all that? So what I'm going to do, let's just take both of these over here. Make sense? Take both of these over here. I'm going to add this one and subtract this one. All right? So I have a n equals. I'm going to add this to the other side. That's x n y. I'm going to subtract this over there, minus x m. And this is a plus, x n k. Is that good? What's the common factor? Okay, there's an x there, there's an x there, there's an x there. Now there's n's there and there, but that's not common. I want all the way across. So I'm going to take the x's out. When I do that, what's left is New York, Manhattan, and North Carolina. Carolina with a K, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide, this stays here. I'm going to divide by this whole thing. I'm just going to take the whole thing and put it down here, right? A n over ny minus m plus n k. This is not as confusing as it looks. You just have to take it step at a time. You have to think about what you're doing. Now, actually, because there's another way. I know Carlos is going to do this a different way, and that's fine. There's other ways you can go about this, but it's still going to come at the same answer, all right? What I would highly, highly, highly suggest that you do is look at these examples and work through them, look at the book, see what they're doing, kind of get a feel for how it works, okay? There's several examples, and then try it, see how it works. It's not hard. You're just moving stuff around by adding, when you change side, change sign, or divide. That's all it is, okay?